Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome into the channel. Today is Cinco de Mayo. It's May 5th, 2022, Thursday afternoon. And I just wanted to do a report. There's been a lot of issues with sales, things being slow, not just across eBay, but Etsy also. We know last week Amazon reported really troubling numbers from their sales and profits. First time I think ever in the history of the company that they ended up in the negative for profit per quarter. And now we have eBay and Etsy numbers yesterday tanking the stock prices. In fact, I'm going to go over here and screen share with you, show you what the stock prices were yesterday, like Tuesday to Wednesday, and then now Wednesday to Thursday. The whole Dow Jones, the entire stock board is down today. It was, last I looked, 1,150 points down, which is troubling, very troubling. Mortgage rates went up today to kind of cool the housing market off. But anyways, Etsy and eBay not looking good on the stock market side. And I think part of this reason is because they're comparing sales numbers and profits and quarterly changes to the quarters last year when we were still kind of in pandemic era. Remember, the pandemic didn't really start till March, April of 2020. And then over the summer, things started to like, oh, we'll get back to normal. And then they deteriorated and went crazy where all the websites blew up during the Christmas season of 2020 and into 2021. So if we're talking about March and April, first quarter even of 2021 compared to 2022, the numbers are going to be way down because that's when everybody was at home. Everyone was buying stuff offline. The numbers skyrocketed. Amazon did $450 billion. And now those numbers have come back down because people are going out in town and shopping. So e-commerce has come down a little bit. So anyways, let's go over and take a look at the stock and the numbers. And this should do a little explaining as to why the numbers are slow. But all you can do is stick with it and keep going. Okay, you guys can see the CNBC, eBay, Etsy drop on the week guidance as e-commerce crunch continues. Annie Palmer posted this. Etsy and eBay reported first quarter results after the bell Wednesday. So I'm recording this Thursday afternoon. So this was after yesterday's bell. So it could suggest a cool down in e-commerce. That's what I just said, basically, that everyone was spending all their money. Remember, that was the beginning of 2020, middle 2020, end of 2020, things spiked. So at the first quarter of 2021, we were still in like full pandemic mode, basically, except Florida, of course. And so we're comparing this to last year, and that's why it's drastically down. Shares of eBay fell more than 6% in extended trading after Wednesday, and Etsy's down as much as 12%, which is huge. Now, their earnings per share and revenue both were above board, 60 cents to 60 and 579 to 575. And if you come down, eBay did 2.48 billion versus 2.46 billion. So they beat that. The problem is not first quarter, it's now second quarter. So April, May, June, which we are done April, we're in May, and of course June's still coming. They already know they're going to do slower in June because that's summer slowdown. Etsy expected revenues between 540 and 590, and that was originally forecast to be 628. But I don't know where these Wall Street forecasts come. They have to know between summer slowdown and last year's comparative numbers that it's not going to be as high. That's silly to guess that it would keep up with those numbers. Just not going to happen. eBay estimating 2.35 billion to 2.4 billion, and the projected was 2.54 billion. So about 200 million, give or take, 150, $200 million difference. And that's where it is. If you look at the current eBay stock prices, down $6.38, 48.04 today. The market is closed. I'm recording this afterwards. If you look at yesterday, they were as high as 54.42, so a difference of $6, give or take, which would have been pretty close to like 10%, 11%. Etsy in the same story. Yesterday at close, they were at 109.33, down $19 since yesterday, which they're down $6, or they're down, I believe they're down. What are they down today? They're down $18 today alone. So there you go, 18 since yesterday, almost 17% drop. Amazon, no better. They're down 7.5%, $190, almost $200 drop since yesterday. They were up around the, if we take this high, they were at 25.18. Yeah, so almost $200 since yesterday. Nobody doing good, and that's why everything's slowed down. That's why your sales are probably bad. We're coming into summer slowdown. Tax money's all dried up. Everybody's returns have already come back and been used. There are some that are delayed. I know a lot of you saying you haven't got your refunds yet, but a lot of that money is gone. Definitely gone, and now summer slowdown. So don't be mad. That's just the way it is. We have to fight through it. Keep going. And if there's anything else I can do for you guys, let me know. I will read the comments. So leave a comment down below. How are your sales? Are they good, bad? eBay, Etsy, Amazon. We all know how Poshmark is in the other videos. But leave that comment, hit the like button. Make sure you do like the video. It helps it out, helps it with the algorithm. I appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel before you go. I'll see everyone tomorrow.